In this video, we will be learning on how we can compress a PDF file using Android smartphone. For that, we have to install an app called PDF Converter from the Play Store, and we have to select the application. Now, in this application, we can see an option called Offline Converter in the home page itself, and we have to choose an option called PDF Tools from here. From the PDF Tools, we have to select the file that we have to compress, and by selecting the file, now the file is selected. Now we have to click on the action button and we have to choose the option of compressing PDF. Here the option is set it on 60 as default. If we have to for having the least compression, we have to select as 1 image quality. Then we have to click on submit to get the work done. Now now we can see that the file is compressed. That's how we compress an file in smartphone. Thank you for watching.